Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can go to a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Let's see what's up with my beautiful Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's up with my Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me. Please tell me what's up with my Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's up with my Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Give me one more card. Please tell me what's up with my Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. I do see Taurus. For some of you, finances could be your major focus for the month of September. Um, some of you are also trying to upgrade. Some of you are trying to become better businessmen or better at your job somehow. I want to clarify Queen of Cups. Please tell me what's Queen of Cups. Please tell me why is Queen of Cups. One more card. I do see Taurus. Some of you could be dealing with somebody who's at a distance, who's far from you, and it's getting difficult for both of you to maintain this equation from this distance. And this person means a lot to you, so you are literally juggling. You're literally trying very hard to probably either shift your workplace to the place where this person stays, or to find a source of income where this person stays, or to strategically place yourself in a way where you could be closer to this person, because you really want to be around this person. You see that there's some distance, and this distance is causing certain problems with the kind of equation that you want to create with this person. Please clarify Page of Pentacles in reverse. Please clarify Page of Pentacles in reverse. No more card, please clarify Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, Taurus. I mean, some of you are married, some of you already have kids with this person, and some of you are just like literally really away, and that's causing you a lot of trouble. I mean, some of you could be away because of work reasons. Some of you could be at a distance because your work is in a different geographical location altogether. And because of which you can see your relationships and your family falling apart, and you certainly don't want that. Because that's you're not able to stay as committed to the relationship as you're supposed to be, or your partner is not able to stay as committed to the relationship as they're supposed to be. You want to save this relationship, which is why you definitely want to do all it takes, but at the same time money is also important. So the month of September for you is mostly about strategically planning your life in a way where your emotions and your financial need could be met in the same geographical location, is what I see happening for you guys. Can you please clarify Page of Wands for me? I want to clarify why Page of Wands here. Please clarify Page of Wands. Ten of Pentacles. Give me one more card. One more card. Page of Wands. Please clarify Page of Wands. Yes, Taurus, I do see that this is what the major conflict is, that I mean, this thing is keeping you conflicted for a very long time. I think some of you literally moved out. Some of you literally, started focusing on your money a lot to build a legacy. But all of a sudden, you just had this realization that, if I'm going to be so emotionally unsettled, if I'm going to be like not around the people that I love, then all of this money literally makes no sense. All of this abundance literally makes no sense. For a lot of you, it got difficult to juggle. And for a lot of you, it got difficult over a period of time. It got difficult for you to place more importance to your finances and less to your emotional system and your emotional values and your people. And now so this is basically a deeper transformation for you when you hit wherein your mind hit end of a cycle. This is the end of a cycle wherein you're realizing that your emotional needs are as important as your financial and materialistic needs, and now the time has come to balance them out. And right now, you are not really you are not focused on your money that much. What you're focused on is striking a balance, which is again beautiful, Taurus. I love this energy. Wow, I love you guys. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will try to dive deep into the emotions of your person. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will dive deep into the emotions of your person. Three of Cups wanted to show, maybe some of you have realized that your person is because of the distance, or because of maybe you guys were staying together but you were so focused on your money that you were not able to give them any attention, and this person started seeking attention outside, and you realize that how important it is for you to give some emotional attention to your partner, to your loved ones. Otherwise they are going to seek it outside and you're not going to like it. Okay, if this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Taurus are dealing with. Taurus in reverse. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Taurus someone is dealing with. Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini, some of you could be dealing with an Earth sign, could be another Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, could be any sign as far as elements go. Please tell me why is the Lovers in the reverse. Please tell me what's the Lovers in the reverse. I do see, Taurus, that for a lot of you, for some of you, the person that you're dealing with, they sort of, like along the way, because they sort of understood that your priorities are different, and this person did not want to bother you. This person loved you enough to understand that your priorities are different. But at the same time, this person also understood that their needs matter to them. So they have sort of, changed their mindset, and they have accepted you for who you are, but at the same time, they have also accepted their needs for what they are, and they are sort of, trying to get their needs met from whatever source they can. Like, for the longest time, they were stressed over you. For the longest time, they really for the longest time they really fought for this connection, but now they just hit a point where they did not give up on you, but they accepted that, okay, if this is how it's going to be, I'm going to get my needs met from, wherever I can. So I do see that this person went through a transformation. This person, so for some of you, this person really, improved the way they look. They went through like a massive appearance transformation and a mindset transformation. This person started going out. This person started seeking attention, and this person is just doing all it takes to be with you, but also be happy with who they are, which is a great energy again. I want to see why the hangman here. Please clarify the hangman in your words. Please clarify the hangman in your words. I'm also hearing, for some of you, this person actually went into a very, I don't know, I mean, according to me, it's healthy. This person went into a space wherein they were like, okay, I'm gonna give Taurus some time to, probably up their game or to probably balance out their act. And meanwhile, I will just like do what makes me happy. So this person usually went into that zone. I do see that. Please clarify. And I'm going to work on myself. I'm going to work on my passions, etc. Please clarify the hangman words. Please clarify the hangman words. Oh God. Yes, Taurus, I do see that, this person has literally gone through that phase for you wherein, they lost all the confidence. They were stressed because of this relationship. They were depressed because of this relationship. They could see there, if you had kids with this person, they could see that sort of lack, wherein, you were not really investing emotionally in this relationship or in this family. But like at this point of time, your person is focused on themselves. This person hasn't given up on your relationship, but has stopped really doing something about it. And this person is focused on their finance. This person is focused on their appearance. This person is focused on their needs and their happiness. Please clarify Eight of Pentacles in reverse for me. Please clarify Eight of Pentacles in reverse for me. Please clarify Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Pentacles in reverse. I do see, Taurus, that the person that you're dealing with, first of all, this person is, somebody who had a lot of emotional needs. Like this person wasn't very emotionally independent, and this person is somebody who requires a lot of validation to function. So basically, at this point in time, what this person is doing, that this person is focused on being happy. This person is focused on, getting each of their needs met anyhow. And they are probably going through that sort of transformation. I do see on a bigger picture, this person is going through again a deeper, for you guys as a couple are working wonderfully, because you are going through a transformation wherein you have realized that you need to up your game to be with this person, whereas this person has realized that you are not accountable to meet all their needs, and they are responsible for their own needs. So yeah, I do see that this person is in just this transformative, calm space wherein they're making shit happen for themselves, and at the same time they're not giving up on you. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of September. Wake me up when September ends. I do see, Taurus, you are going to make it all happen in the month of September. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. If this video is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person. Please give me the outcome for Taurus and their person for the month of September. Please give me the outcome for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Moon for the month of September. Please give me the outcome for Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of September. Please give me the outcome for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Eight of Wands. That's cool. Please give me the outcome. Give me one more card, please. Please give me the outcome. The month of September for you guys, Taurus, is going to be definitely shaky, going to be full of conversations. You guys are going to discuss everything. You're going to let them know your helplessness. They are going to let you know their helplessness. They're going to let you know that how, you know, you have literally, you know, every now and then you literally left them out in cold. I do see that both of you are going to logically try to come to a solution. I do see that there are going to be a lot of logical conversations that are going to be happening. There are going to be a lot of practical conversations that are going to be happening, because you both, no matter how distressed both of you are because of this relationship, because of this equation, but this means something to both of you. So I do see you guys taking a step forward towards each other. The month of September is going to be absolutely something that you guys were really waiting for, because you know, there have been a lot of troubles, there have been a lot of hindrances in this equation. I do see, Taurus, that you and your person are going to communicate. It's going to be a fast-paced communication. You guys are going to, some of you are going to meet each other, because there's a lot of restlessness, there's a lot of anxiety that's happening. Especially you are going through a lot of anxiety now that you're seeing your person moving on. Now that you're seeing that this person doesn't really need you, because this person was cribbing for the longest time and you were not able to cater to their needs. So now that this person is really getting their needs met and taking care of themselves, that's sort of triggering you on a lot of levels. You're just all of a sudden very scared. What if this person doesn't need me anymore? What if this person just walks out? What if this person moves on? And and now you're going to up your game. You're going to go to them. You're going to be logical and you're going to make shit happen. I love this reading, Taurus. It's great, great, great. I love this reading. I'm sending you guys a lot of love and light. This is it for the month of September. I will see you guys next month. Your advice for the month of September is exactly what you're doing. I'm really proud of you guys for what you're doing, and keep doing this, guys. Strike a balance. I know, Taurus, you guys are an earth sign. You're all about money. You're all about success. You're all about stability. But you need to know that all of the stability is of literally no use if there's no emotional fulfillment in life. So your lesson for the month of September is strike a balance. Strike a balance. Strike a balance. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys next month.